for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Escape SE in Oxford White with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and it also has all-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control, as well as sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. So we'll just get in there. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the display screen. This is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. It also has a temperature outside and the time, and your media choices of AM, FM, satellite radio, as well as CD. And there's your CD player. There's your volume and tuner and your options. And below that, hazard lights. And then you have your climate control. And you have your AC located here with max AC, as well as your front defrost. And you also have your rear defrost there. You have an automatic select shifter. And down below, you're seeing heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as a 12-volt. There's your emergency parking brake beside the driver, as well as a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, and inside you have a little bin that you can take out, and as well you have your auxiliary line in and USB. And there's lots more storage down below. Off to the side, there's a locking glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, sunglass holder, and then in the center you have your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle in the body on the side of the passenger to make it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. You also have backup sensors on your bumper and dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up that hatch, you simply put your hand in the latch just below the license plate holder, and it'll open up easily. Inside, it's roomy, nicely carpeted. You've also got that tonneau cover, a light and a 12-volt, as well as hooks and tabs to be able to tether things. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle on the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and your hatch is now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily bring down your headrest simply with a push of a button, and then at the base you just pull the lever and it'll bring your seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area, and you're seeing that tonneau cover, so you can slide that across to keep items out of sight. On the back of the seat you have an anchor to be able to tether baby seats, and then to bring them back up, simply push and flip up your headrest. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and on the floor a nice little surprise. You've got a bin underneath your carpeting. You just lift that up, you can put smaller items, hide them there, and so the carpet's off to the side there because I wanted to show you that bin. There's also slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center there's a little cubby, as well as a 110 outlet. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.